Welcome to GenAIXplained, your go-to place for everything generative AI. Today, we'll be decoding the magic of generative AI, with a fun guide for beginners. So, what is generative AI? It's like the dreamer of the AI world. It doesn't just analyze and learn. It creates. It imagines. It's the artist of the AI universe. From creating stunning artworks, composing symphonies, to writing stories, generative AI is revolutionizing creativity. At the heart of generative AI are neural networks, inspired by our very own brain. They learn patterns from data and use them to create something new. You've probably seen some of its magic. Deepfakes. Video games with infinite worlds. That's generative AI in action. But it's not just about fun and games. Generative AI is also helping solve complex problems in healthcare, climate modeling, and more. Imagine customizing your favorite video game character, or even designing new drugs. All of these can be achieved with generative AI. So, are you ready to explore this AI wonderland? To dive deeper into the world of generative AI, join us on this journey. Subscribe to GenAIXplained and hit the bell icon. Let's unravel the mysteries of AI together. This is GenAIXplained, making AI a bit less alien.